All right, we need boots. Yep. What's up, guys? Welcome to a hopefully cactus bird video. Got a couple of excuses to come out today. It is entirely too hot for proper camo, but I'm gonna put some pants on anyways because choya and knee braces, they don't go together so well, you know? Pro tip though, get a pair of like pants that's like 1 or 2 sizes too big, and then you can just put them right on over your shorts. It's just highly effective for me. All right, so I've had my 500 for a couple of years now, and I've been the subject to much online badgering and bullying because of missing one piece of important kit. Finally got one, so we're gonna go play with that today. Also, I need to test out my monopod because I thought I broke it, but maybe I didn't break it, and now I think it's fixed. All right, where's my monopod? There's a piece of it. There's another piece of it. I'm gonna do a check real quick. So this is my my iFootage Cobra 3 Strike tripod. I don't know. That's probably the name of it. This isn't sponsored, by the way. This is I've had this for a while. It's just what I use. It's what I like. I'm getting ready for my big 3-week trips to back to Tetons and Yellowstone. Need to make sure everything works. So I had it like this, and see how that pops in all nice, and it's like my little ground pod. I like using this for when I'm like around like waterfowl and stuff, ducks. But basically I had a problem where it was like stuck in here, and it wouldn't release, and it was like that for weeks, and I tried everything, and finally I got it. It required a mallet persuasion, but now I need to make sure this works. Hey, look at that. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Yay. Okay. Let's go see if we can find some cactus birds. Well, somebody pushed some boulders onto the net. You think the barn owls can still fit through these? Because they used to nest in all this stuff. Look, I mean, all that's droppings. But I don't know if any of it's new. There's some bones. It'd be nice to get a barn owl. This looks like a good spot. It's raining down there in Mexico. You can see Mexico from here. It looks like a pretty good little microburst. All right, so check this out. Not the monopod. I've had my 500 for a long time now. This is the Mark II, the F4 Mark II. And ever since I've got it, I've had it for 2 years now. Like right about 2 years this month, actually. Ever since I've got it, I've had people commenting. Some people have been chill about it, saying, oh yeah, you should get a lens coat or a lens cover or something. And some people have just been downright ugly and just calling me like an idiot and cussing at me and saying how stupid I am because I never had a cover for this. Yeah, I don't know. It just wasn't like always super huge on the priority list. Like I've always wanted one, but then like the more people complained about it, the more I kind of like refused to get one, like a petulant child. But you know, I wanted one, but then I never wanted a lens coat because everyone that I know that has lens coats, they all fray and like they shred and like they don't last very long. But then Harry Collins, I don't know if you guys follow him, but he's an amazing wildlife photographer. He recommended this one, the Roland Pro, and he said he's been using them for years and they don't have those problems. And he's a good dude. I trust him. I trust his input. And a number of other people have said this too. So I grabbed one of these, and yeah, you can see like all of the edges are properly stitched and sewn and hemmed and or whatever you call them. This thing, it feels really great. It feels like it's gonna last a while, and it feels like it's not gonna come apart. But I also struggled with like, how badly do I actually need one of these? And you know, I got the Digi camo, you know, military Navy have it, but this is the kind that we used in the Navy. But I've done other videos on like, do you really need camo, and is that like, how effective is it for all that stuff? I didn't just buy it so I could blend in and stuff like that. And I didn't just buy it to also like protect the investment. I think that's where everybody complains, is like, oh, you got to protect your investment, you know, in the lens. And I get that. It is smart. So I'm glad that I finally have it on there for that. Also, this thing, Roland Pro says this is like rain resistant, not rain proof, but it has a bit of rain resistance to it, and I didn't have anything. Oh, if you guys know any of if you have any experience with any kind of rain cover, rain shell, like the lens coat or the Roland Pro or any other brands, let me know, because I still need to get one of those. Because I realized, like going to the Tetons, I realized like if I'm going to be out there for 3 weeks, the chances of it raining are probably greater than the chances of it raining here in the desert. So this is, yeah, this is my new accessory, and I'm glad I had it. Oh, I found this on Amazon actually, because for a long time the Roland Pros I think you could only buy on like eBay or Alibaba or something, but they're on Amazon now. I'll have a link. You know, this isn't sponsored, whatever. This is just I was just happy that I found it in the US on Amazon. The only thing now I got to get is one for the teleconverter. But yeah, now we're just gonna hang out here, and I'm gonna see if I can show you guys some cactus wrens, because we have cacti, and we have some wrens, and we have cacti wrens. This is a great spot for them. Also, there are, what else we got out here, Brittany? Yeah, canyon towhees. They sound just like that. So we'll see what we can find. I'm just gonna hang out. Like, that's the other cool thing I wanted to come out here for the cactus wrens, is like, as soon as I shut up and stop talking and hang out for a minute, they're a lot less skittish than like a lot of other birds. So I don't need to throw on my ghillie suit or need like a super lot of camo. I just need to not move and not talk. So we're gonna give that a go. And we've got, wake up, watch. It's 20 to 7. So we've got just under an hour left of daylight. Let's see what we can get.
I missed it by like 2 seconds.
2 seconds before we turn the camera on. So do you guys see that rainbow back? Do they see that?
Yep.
Okay, there's a rainbow back there, right? 2 seconds before she turned the camera on, lightning went right through the rainbow. And of course, don't have any lightning gear with me except for this monster. I just took my teleconverter off. I did just get some nice cactus wren right behind me before the sun went down in the last light. Whoa, you hear that thunder, Brittany? Wow.
See, I told you there was lightning in the rainbow.
No, oh my goodness. And we don't have any lightning gear. Well, I think I'm going to wrap it up. This is, of course, because I don't have my landscape stuff, this is the most amazing sunset we're going to have for a while. It's just exploding back there, lightning and rainbows over there. But yeah, this thing's working out great. I'm excited. This seems to be good. That seems, oh, did you get that?
Yes, but your heckin' camera was in front of it.
Oh.
You lifted it right into...
Wow, that's good timing.
Anywho, your camera's in front of the cool shit.
Oh yeah, so here. Well, now they can. Well, rainbow's gone. Wow, the last of the monsoon's kicking in. Well.
And the moon.
Oh, look
right
at
there.
The moon. Holy cow! Look at that business. Are you kidding me? Oh, that is beautiful. Look at those clouds. Wow. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I didn't expect to get a moonshot, but I'll take it. Wow. Brittany, did you know it's almost full moon?
I would have hazarded a guess.
Well, I guess full moon will probably be tomorrow or the day after, huh? Because it's coming up right now, so full moon's probably... Wow, and look at... Oh my God, look at that whole pen over there, Brittany. Show them that. I'm too wide. I'm way too wide for that.
You're too wide for it?
I mean tight. I meant tight. Wow. Okay, so there's cool stuff in every single direction. The moon is going behind those clouds. Wow. What great color.
It's not really rendering on this camera.
Well,
the color.
I just meant like the moon and the clouds and everything. All right, we're going to wrap it up here and just stare at the sky for a few minutes. I don't think I'm going to see any more birds, but if I do, I took teleconverter off again, so ready for low light, extreme ISO. Yeah, anyways, if you guys are still here, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where hopefully we'll be out chasing the elk for some rut.
You might have a new toy to show them.
Oh yeah, huh? Camera lady, where you? That's still under embargo. That's under NDA right now. What? Is there another lightning? Oh my God! Did they see that one?
I don't know.
Oh, you're killing me, Smalls. I should just put my phone on a tripod and shoot that. Okay, yeah. Anyways, we'll see you soon. I'll be in Yellowstone and Tetons soon. I can't wait to go edit these moonshots and that cactus fan.